Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to automatically assign a role when someone joins a Discord server. Start by going to your server settings and clicking on App Directory. Search for a bot such as CarlBot. Add the bot to your server. If it is already added, simply go back to your server. Once added, go to your server and open Server Settings. Go to Roles and make sure the CarlBot role is at the top of the list. Curate a new role. For this example, we will create a sample role. Assign permissions to the role as needed. Choose a color for the role and click Save Changes. Next, open carlbot.gg in Google Chrome. Select your server. Scroll down and find the option called Auto Roles. Click on Auto Roles, select the role you created, and click Save. After setup, test it by having a new user join the server. The role will be assigned automatically within a few seconds. You can change or disable the auto role feature at any time through the bot settings. We've learned why Discord requires a bot to auto-assign roles, how to configure the auto role feature, and how to ensure permissions are set correctly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.